2, 1! CXP Motorcycle and Metal Parts Indonesia booth. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, I am here at the product launching of Pedal Parts. I am thankful for being invited and also for being part of the team as a brand ambassador. This event is also the partnership signing between Pedal Parts and CXP Motorcycle.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. As I show you the different parts, take that photo from our members of the press.
Okay, next na being presented ay ang mga content creator at brand ambassadors. Ang goal namin dito is to build the brand Federal at i-showcase ang parts sa aming mga vlogs. Nasali ako dito kaya pagbubutihan ko yung mga vlogs ko sa mga product testing, builds at mga tutorials. May na kasi ako sa comedy.
Hello, mga friends here. Ashley, motorsiklo.
Oh, okay.
Gusto kitang kapitan ng Federal Parts para magtagal tayo.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Enrique, a.k.a. Mr. Rock. Ma'am Ashley, magkain ka ba?
Bakit?
Take out kita.
Kahit na. Iya na.
Patis ka ba, ma'am?
Ano?
Patis ka ba?
Naman, patis na ngayon? Bakit?
Hindi ba kitang sausawan?
To the Inside Racing Races, may we call on our dear friend, Mr. Al Gamba of Inside Racing.
Of Inside Racing, NAMSA FIM, USRA, and of course all our officials and staff. We'd like to welcome this new team, Federal Quezon Kobe Racing Team to the National Championship, and we are looking forward to see this new team.
During this event, ni-reveal yung Quezon Race Bike ni Masato Fernando at ang kanyang anak na sponsored by Federal. And good news, pwede mag-sponsor si Federal sa ibang racing team.